This is Rabbit. Rabbit worked hard his whole life and saved a lot of carrots. But Rabbit's neighbor earns the same, yet has 3 times more carrots. Rabbit runs to him and asks, "How? What is your secret?" The neighbor just smiled and said 2 words, "Stock market." Rabbit thought, what is this magic? Today we find out. Before this, Rabbit used to hide carrots underground thinking they were safe. But with time, the carrots rotted. Their value disappeared completely. This is exactly what happens when money just sits in a bank. Inflation slowly eats it. So the real question is, where should Rabbit keep carrots so they actually grow? In the jungle, a new company opened, the Jungle Juice Company. The owner wanted to grow the business, but didn't have enough carrots to expand. So the owner said, "Give me carrots and I will give you a piece of my company." Rabbit gave 100 carrots and got a paper that said 10% owner. This paper is called a share. Rabbit is now a part owner of the business. The place where these shares are bought and sold, that is the stock market. The company worked hard. The juice became famous. Profits started coming in. First way money grows, dividend. The company shares its profit directly with Rabbit. Second way, the value of Rabbit's share went from 100 carrots to 300 carrots. Rabbit did nothing extra, just invested smartly, and money grew on its own. Money doesn't grow just from hard work. It grows from smart decisions. But wait. Stock market is not magic. Sometimes things go wrong. Rabbit also invested in another company, and that one failed. Carrots were lost. In stock market, there is profit, but there is also loss. Both are very real. Golden rule. Never put all your carrots in one basket. Always spread them out. One basket may fall, but the others keep you safe. This is called diversification. Rule 1. Only invest money you do not need right now. Never invest emergency funds. Rule 2. Learn first, then invest. Blind investing is the fastest way to lose money. Rule 3. Be patient. Stock market rewards those who wait, not those who panic. Today, Rabbit learned, money doesn't just grow from working hard. It grows when you make your money work for you. Through smart investing, don't bury your carrots. Put them to work. Next video, which stocks to pick and how to choose the right company. Stay tuned. Share this with one friend who saves money but has no idea where to invest it. Subscribe for more, because understanding money is the best investment you will ever make. This is Rabbit.